Hello, very good evening, morning, good afternoon. This particular information is collected from different epics, different books. So let's see. A very important one, Vaisheshika or says Vaisheshika Darshana. This is one of the Astik Bharatiya Darshana, Vaisheshika Darshana. Some people say Vaisheshika Darshana in Yoga. This is one of the Shada Darshan, Vaisheshika Darshan, and it is first given by Alulukya Kanad. Kanad sage 6th century BC has formulated the concepts of Vaisheshika Darshana. Vaisheshika Darshana is Astik Darshana. Around 6 centuries BC, this was given by sage Kanad. And this particular philosophy is based on Vedas. It is a dualistic philosophy, and very significantly, it is going towards the neutralism. And as the name of sage Kana was Alulukya, it is also known as Alulukya Darshan. It has given a very good metaphysics, and it has a very deep analytical approach. I'm sure you will enjoy it. This particular philosophy has also given that atom is the key unique basic unit of substance. Vaisheshika philosophy explains that there are small indestructible part of the world, and those are known as atom or anu. The whole universe is made up of these small atoms, and these are actually the thing which are physical combination of our earth, water, fire and air. These are inactive, motionless, and are put into motion by God. So God is some energy it has considered. These are unseen forces. Those are forces of merit and demerit. It's complicated, but we'll explain it later. Two atoms, they combine to form a dvayanuka. That is two atoms combine. Say two oxygen atom. That is a dvayanuka, O2. Three atoms combine to form a trianuka, a molecule kind of thing, H2O. Four atoms combine to form a chaturnuka. Five atoms combine to form panchanuka. And such many atoms, they form a mahanuka. And these mahanuka form padartha or substance. You must be thinking we are studying chemistry, and that is true. The substance having the same properties as that of atom. So atoms are responsible for the properties of the substance. So it explains the chemical theories as well as the physical change is also given in this Vaisheshika philosophy. So it has explained from the soul to the atom to the substance and compounds. No doubt we all know John Dalton in 18th century has explained about, has proven there are atoms. Democritus previously 2000 years ago has also said about it. But Kanad has already mentioned it in Vaisheshika Darshana about atom. Vaisheshika Darshan gives a different padarth or categories. These categories are connected with the padartha, and then each category is divided into different types of the categories. So for example, there are 7 padartha. Previously it has defined 6, and then they found that abhav, which is actually a nothing or absence, can also be a type of padartha. See the concept. Nothing can be something. So Vaisheshika Kanad sage has defined 7 types of padartha. Dravya, which is a substance, and substance can have name, object, and even thought. So these substances can be earth, water, fire, air, ether, akash, time, kala, space, soul, also substance, and mind. They have considered these 9 substances. You can imagine the soul or manas is also considered as a substance. Sometimes they ask in question what are the different substances which are considered by Kanad. So Aap, Tej, Vayu, Akash, Prithvi, and it has considered the time dimension, space, soul as a substance, and manas, mind as a substance. The second padarth is guna, which gives a quality. So it has considered 24 quality, and these 24 qualities you can view their color, taste, smell, touch, number, size, individuality, conjunction, disjunction, priority, posterity, knowledge, pleasure, pain, desire, aversion, efforts, heaviness, fluidity, viscidity, merit, demerit, sound, and faculty, samskara. You can see the spread which is covered right from the human being to the universe, as well as the physics and chemistry both are included in the quality. So you can see the spread of padarthas and categories. The third padartha is karma, action, and action requires a karta. So there are some substances which cannot do action. For example, Akash, it cannot do its own action. Or time, time cannot do its action. Time is a different parameter. Space, stationary, Atman, self. So Atman or soul or self, that is also emotionless, that is also actionless. So these are all devoid of karma. It is a karta, that is a doer. When it comes, then the karma appears. Samanya, generality, is one of the padartha. Generality is a concept, and it has been considered as one padartha. Vishesha, that is uniqueness, is also padartha. Then samavaya, that is inherence, is padartha. And the last padartha which is considered is non-existence. If you go in detail of Vaisheshika, abhava or non-existence can be of different types. For example, the relative non-existence, like it is present, but it can be seen only if in the relative motion. It can be seen only if the seer or the viewer is a stationary person. So it can be seen only with respect to particular time. That is also abhav. Otherwise it cannot be seen. That does not mean it is not present there. Similarly, it cannot be sensed by shabda sparsha rupa rasa gandha. That is also abhav. So we don't see viruses. That does not mean it does not exist. It exists, but that is also kind of abhav. And the last category of abhav is it is not there. that is total non-existence. So there are different kinds of padartha which are there, and those are 7 types. There are 24 quality, 9 substance are there. Very interesting things which are given in Vaisheshika. There are 13 duties which are prescribed by sage Kanad. It says faith is a duty, non-violence is a duty, kindly feeling for all beings, or you can say a compassion is a duty, truthfulness is duty, integrity, brahmacharya, purity of mind, renunciation of anger, personal cleanliness through bath, the use of purifying substances is also duty, devotion to deity, fasting is also duty, and non-neglect of duties is also duty. So there are 13 universal duties given in Vaisheshika. What is the concept of God that is given? It is very scientific concept is given in Vaisheshika. The God is cause of the world, whereas atoms are cause of material. So it has compared the world with a complete universe with the substance, and then a small atom which is an indestructible part of substance is considered with the soul. God or Adrishta causes nature of the souls and atoms which gives different properties to the matter. So actually it says God is a nature of soul and atom. So it has considered soul and atom at the same similarity or same location it has considered, or at par. God is omniscient, and hence it governs the whole world. World is governed by certain principle by God, and it is autonomous system, and God won't interfere in its run. This proves the law of karma. If you say, if you do karma, if you perform karma, you will get the effect of it. So that is also proven by Sage Kanad. It has also put the concept of Atman or soul. It says the Atman or soul is eternal, and it has classified the soul into two: individual soul, which is Jivatma, and the supreme soul. It is also known as Paramatma or Ishwar. So supreme soul is a universe soul, and this universe soul or supreme soul is considered as a creator of the world. So this is a concept, these are the concept given in Vaisheshika. Coming to the questions which are generally asked in level 3 yoga exam, Sage Kanad has given which darshana to the world? Answer is Vaisheshika Darshan. Atom is basic unit of a substance is given in which darshan? Again Vaisheshika Darshan. Concept of Atman, soul or individual soul and supreme soul is given in which darshana? Again same Vaisheshika Darshana. Alulukya Darshana, also called as Vaisheshika Darshana, true or false? Yes, true. It is called as Alulukya Darshana. What is common between John Dalton and Sage Kanad? Answer is atom. Mahanuka is composed of many atoms. Yes, true or false? Yes, true. It composed of many atoms. Mahanuka. How many padarthas are given in Vaisheshika Darshana? Answer is 7. 6 plus 1. 1 which is abhava is added later. How many universal duties are there? Okay, given in Vaisheshika. There are 13 duties given, and the last duty in 13 is to perform the duty itself is a duty. How many substances are given in Vaisheshika Darshana? 9. Which Darshana is significant for its neutralism? Answer is Vaisheshika Darshana. Thank you guys. Thank you. I know Vaisheshika Darshana is little bit complex, but it is fun. Thank you so much.